When we think of global competition, most people picture tanks rolling across deserts, fighter jets screaming through the skies, or even nuclear missiles perched on launch pads. The true battlefield of the 21st century isn't visible. It isn't measured in explosions or uniforms. The fight might be taking place entirely in lines of code, in invisible networks, in the algorithms that quietly shape every part of our lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a tool for convenience or entertainment. It has evolved into a weapon, a disruptor, and a force capable of reshaping the very systems we rely on, economies, governments, and even truth itself. And right now, a silent war is raging, one that could determine global dominance for decades to come. Some Hollywood stars are already pointing to the cultural significance of AI. From tech investors like Ashton Kutcher promoting AI startups to Scarlett Johansson discussing AI ethics in interviews, the entertainment industry isn't just observing, it's participating. And if celebrity influence can shape public opinion, imagine what AI influence on global governance could do. The AI arms race between the United States and China is accelerating faster than anyone imagined. Unlike previous technological competitions where victory could be measured in factories, ships, or patents, AI operates in a dimension almost impossible to monitor. Algorithms learn, adapt, and evolve often faster than humans can comprehend. They don't require borders, armies, or traditional infrastructure. In this new era, control over code may translate to control over entire societies. China has been transparent about its ambition to become the global leader in AI by 2030. Their strategy is not subtle, it's systemic. It integrates AI into every corner of society, from predictive policing and facial recognition, cameras to urban planning and industrial automation. The government can deploy AI at scale, track results in real time, optimize policies without the deliberation required in democratic systems. Meanwhile, the United States has a different approach. Private companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft drive innovation. The pace is extraordinary, but coordination is less centralized. Breakthroughs happen rapidly, but oversight often lags. This open, entrepreneurial environment is a double-edged sword. It produces world-leading technology, but also creates vulnerabilities when AI spreads faster than regulation. The stakes aren't just technological, they're political, economic, and social. AI can influence financial markets, control public narratives, manipulate human perception on a massive scale. Deepfakes, once a novelty, are now tools of strategic disruption. Imagine a situation where a fabricated speech by a world leader goes viral or news broadcast is entirely AI generated. Who verifies reality? Who maintains trust? In Hollywood, AI is also beginning to redefine influence. Celebrities using AI-generated images, voiceovers, and even virtual doubles are normalizing the concept of synthetic reality. If AI can simulate actors flawlessly, creating digital content indistinguishable from reality, then societal trust in what's real becomes fragile. The implications for democracy, global politics, and information integrity are enormous. Experts warn about the so-called control problem. AI is designed to learn, adapt, and make autonomous decisions. The smarter it becomes, the harder it is to direct. Even the most sophisticated AI systems can make mistakes, misinterpret information, or act unpredictably. In a military scenario, an autonomous drone could misidentify a target, or a predictive algorithm could escalate a conflict unintentionally. The faster we develop AI, the more urgent it becomes to ensure humans remain in control. The US faces a unique challenge. Open societies value freedom, freedom of speech, freedom of enterprise, freedom of innovation. But these freedoms make regulation slow and difficult. By contrast, China's centralized control allows rapid implementation and real-time oversight. The difference isn't just philosophical, it's strategic. In the AI race, speed and coordination may outweigh creativity. AI is not just a tool for information or economics. Militaries in both China and the US are racing to integrate AI into defense systems. Autonomous drones, cyber warfare programs, predictive algorithms could revolutionize military strategy. But there is risk. Autonomous systems making split-second decisions can misfire, escalate conflicts, even act in ways human operators don't expect. This is compounded by the invisible battlefield nature of AI. Unlike traditional weapons, code can cross borders instantly. A single malicious algorithm could disrupt energy grids, manipulate stock markets, or interfere with elections across the globe. There's no factory line to bomb, no tank convoy to intercept. Threat is everywhere, yet unseen until it's too late. The AI race is as much about influence as it is about technology. Whoever sets the standards, safety protocols, ethical guidelines for AI will indirectly dictate its global use. If China dominates these standards, AI worldwide may reflect its priorities, biases, and governance model. The US with its decentralized system, must innovate rapidly while ensuring ethical frameworks keep pace. Data is the currency of AI. China's massive population provides a goldmine for training algorithms, billions of digital interactions every day. The US, with stricter privacy laws and fragmented oversight, faces a slower, more cautious path. Innovation remains strong, but speed and data access create a significant advantage for China. The social consequences are profound. AI can influence voting behavior, shape public opinion, and even alter personal decisions through targeted content. Automated systems, if misused, could exacerbate inequality, surveillance, societal tension. Imagine waking up to an AI-generated news story that shifts financial markets, triggers social unrest, or manipulates global opinion, all before humans can react. Even Hollywood is feeling the cultural impact. AI-generated actors and digital influencers are beginning to blur lines between reality and simulation. Celebrities endorsing AI tools, creating virtual avatars, or participating in AI-driven projects show how deeply AI is already integrated into everyday life. It's entertainment today, influence tomorrow. Experts emphasize three urgent priorities for navigating this AI frontier: regulation clear, enforceable rules are essential to ensure AI aligns with human values, safeguards privacy, prevents catastrophic misuse. Cooperation even in competition, global standards and ethical frameworks are critical. Without international coordination, the first actor to exploit loopholes could dominate unchecked. Public awareness as citizens must understand AI's capabilities and risks. Societal literacy is the only defense against manipulation, misinformation, and systemic failure. Failure to act could mean that AI dictates not just markets or media, the very structure of societies globally. The entertainment industry, often overlooked in geopolitics, is a subtle but powerful battlefield for AI influence. Studios are experimenting with AI to recreate actors, generate scenes, and even write scripts. Celebrities like Will Smith, Emma Stone, and Keanu Reeves have participated in AI-driven projects, signaling that the technology is mainstream. Thumbnails featuring AI-generated celebrity images aren't just clickbait. They're a preview of a future where AI shapes perception, opinion, and culture. What happens when these tools extend beyond entertainment into politics, finance, or law? The integration of AI into popular culture could normalize synthetic realities, priming societies to accept AI-driven influence without question. The stakes of the AI race are enormous. It's not just about who has better technology or larger datasets, it's about who controls influence, sets the rules, maintains human oversight in a world of increasingly autonomous systems. China and the US are building not just AI, but the infrastructure, norms, and global influence that will shape the 21st century. Speed, scale, and coordination matter, but so does governance. AI is a race we cannot see, yet it determines much of what we will see, experience, and believe in the years to come. The warning, the frightening truths: AI could outpace human control faster than anticipated. Autonomous systems, invisible influence, synthetic realities challenge the assumption that humans are in charge. The AI race isn't just a competition, it's a test of whether humanity can steer its own future. And unlike traditional wars, there's no physical battlefield, no treaties to sign, and no clear line between victory and failure. Success may depend not just on innovation, on ethical governance, public awareness, and global cooperation. The question isn't if AI will reshape the world, it's whether we will remain the architects of that change or its subjects. So the next time someone calls AI a tool or a convenience, remember this is a war we cannot see. It's a race where code is the weapon, influence is the prize, and every society is on the front lines. Hollywood might give it a glamorous face, celebrities might endorse its promise. The real battle is silent, invisible, and already underway. The scariest part, no one truly knows who will win or even if winning is possible. The only certainty is this: AI is no longer a spectator sport. It's a war for the very future of human society, and the world is already playing catch up.